Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for coming along here today. Next slide. My name is Dwika, NPM 212151120 from the class 2021Z Universitas Siliwangi. Next. The purpose of today's presentation is to discuss about inner child. In this presentation, I'd like to cover 3 points. Firstly, I want to talk about what is the inner child. Secondly, I want to explain about the causes of the inner child can be injured. And lastly, how to treat it. Next. Point 1. Definition. So, for the first discussion, what is the inner child? The inner child is the part of us that result from childhood experience that have an impact on our life today. The inner child is a form of the child's ego, how the child gets experience in his childhood. Good experience will have a positive impact on their adult life, and the bad experience will hurt the child's mind. Next. Point 2. Reason. Do you know the cause of the inner child can be injured? Reporting for better health, here are some events that can cause someone inner child to be hurt. Number 1, loss of parents. Number 2, being emotionally neglected. Number 3, being bullied. Number 4, have experienced separation in the family. Number 5, have been a victim of violence. Number 6, feeling isolated from their family, and other things. Next. Point 3. Solution. Then, how to treat it? Next. There are 5 ways the research apply in the dealing with the inner child wounds according to the views of the ID pod, including Number 1, reconnecting with childhood. Research stimulates clients, who in this case are children, aged to reimage and remember what things have been done. Number 2, identify the inner child specifically. There are some patterns of childhood that are common in the most people. Some of them are A. Neglected children. B. Cheerful children. C. Timid children. Number 3. Write a letter to the inner child. It can be in the form of apology if you are living a life that does not respect the inner child. Or you can write a simple letter explaining that you want to build a stronger relationship with your inner child. Number 4, pay attention to feelings. Ask the inner child frequently about the feeling they are experiencing, so they will pay more attention to their own needs. Number 5, be careful in the listening to criticisms that come from within. There is a lot of self-criticisms that also come from within. It is important to listen to this sound at the same thing as hearing the voice of the inner child. Next. Maybe that's all I can explain in today's presentation. I will be happy to invite you to ask questions in this season. And of course, I will answer as best I can. Are there any questions? Okay, Rere, please.
Okay, thank you. I want to introduce myself. My name is Rezna Rahayu Agustin, NPM 2121511121. Okay, for the question is, what will the impact be if we don't treat the injured inner child?
Okay, thank you to X. That's a good question. I give you a straight answer. Quoting from the CPTSD Foundation page, there are several effects of injured inner child that can appear on adults, including number 1, feeling of deep injury. Number 2, inability to love oneself. Number 3, always feel inferior and not confident. Number 4, often feel anxious when faced with something new. Number 5, show suspicion in others. Number 6, often feel guilty. Number 7, difficult making decisions. Number 8, there is a problem maintaining healthy relationship with other people. Number 9, sometimes perfectionist and overly competitive. And the last, feeling shy when expressing emotion. Okay, how is there another or enough response?
Yes. Thank you, Julika.
You're welcome. Okay, next slide. Okay, here is a little word. It sounds corny, but I have promised my inner child that never again will I ever abandon myself for anything or anyone else again. Next. Alhamdulillah, the entire series of presentation has been complete. I want to say thank you very much to all who were present at the Zoom meeting this time. I also want to apologize for all the shortcomings in the presentation that I brought. Hopefully, there are lessons that can be taken by all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.